Yes, good morning, students. In this session, we are going to discuss the another one more example for this the Quebec normal form. So any CFL without first of all, I would like to tell about this the definition of the GNF first. So after that, I will go for the next the problem statement. I will explain to you. So first of all, I'll just explain with CFL. So any CFL without empty generated by the grammar G in which all the productions are of the form A derives A alpha, where A is a variable, small a is a terminal, and alpha is the string of variables. You just note it down. Hmm. Another one more thing is here, this is a given problem. There is another one more problem. Convert the following CFG into Kripak normal form. So in this problem, we are having the two productions. One is this S derives A slash 0 and A derives S slash 1. So in for this problem, so we have to do the substitution. So we just begin with the production S derives A slash 0. A implies S slash 1. So S and A can be replaced by A1 and A2. Now it becomes the production like A1 implies A2, A2 slash 0. A2 implies A1, A1 slash 1. So we just start with the production. That is, we begin with the production. A2, A1 implies A2, A2 slash 0. So above production is in the form of AK tends to AJ alpha. So alpha value is equal to 2, K value is equal to 1. So 2 less than 1 condition false, so we cannot start this production. So come to this A2 tends to A1, A1 slash 1. So in this production is in the form of AK tends to AJ alpha. So we have to find out the values of K and J. So here K value is equal to 2, J is equal to 1. That is 1 less than or equal to condition true. We can use this production. So that is we need to find out, we can choose the second production, and so we can find out any other productions are available in for A1. So is there, so A1 implies A1 implies A1 implies A2 A2. So now it becomes A2 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 A1. So remove the old production. So A1 tends to 1, there is 1 B2. You just satisfy the third formula, you just substitute K value is equal to 2, you can substitute AK tends to alpha BK. What about the alpha is 1, BK is equal to 2. So A2 tends to 1 or A2 tends to 1 B2. The resultant of the grammar of the productions are of the form of GNF. So A2 tends to 1 slash 1 B2 slash 0 A1 slash 0 A1 B2. So you just note it down. Another one more thing is A2 implies A2 A2 A1. It satisfies the formula 2, and the result is BK tends to alpha BK and BK tends to alpha. So what is the resultant grammar is now? That is K value is equal to 2. That is, what about the alpha values BK? B2 it implies A2 A1 and B2 implies A2 A1 and B2. So you can note it out. Another one more thing is take down the first two production. A1 tends to A2 A2. Already A2 is in a GNF form. So we have to substitute all the productions of A2 in this production. So A1 tends to A2 A2 now. So you can substitute A2 tends to 1 A2, 1 B2, A2, 1 0 A1 B2, 0 A1. So resultant of the grammar is A1 implies 1 A2, 1 B2, A2, 0 A1. B2, A2, 0, A1 slash 0. So you just note it down. And the resultant of the grammar is B2 tends to A2, A1 and B2 implies A2, A1, B2. So and also substitute all the productions of A2. So B2 tends to A2, A1. B2 implies 1 A1, that is 1 A1 or 1 B2 A1 or 0 A1 A1 or 0 A1 B2 A1 A1. So you just substitute on this. Another one more thing is BK tends to alpha BK tends to alpha BK. K will is equal to 2. So B2 value terminal the variable has to be included at the end. We can note down this aspect. So that's all about this the simplification of CFG with the help of, sorry, the normal forms of CFG with the Gribak normal form. Thank Normal form. Okay, thank you.